Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is video number 2 on the EDEUOEY products that I'm reviewing. Like I mentioned in the first video, which was the ultralight backpacking chair, I was given this product for free, but I am not being paid to review it. So you're going to get a honest and unbiased review. Now, this is the aluminum folding table. I am excited to receive this. I'm excited to test this out. Now, this is something, if you watched my other video, I had mentioned that if I'm interested in something, I'll put it in a cart or a watch list or a save later, whatever you want to call it, until I'm ready to, pull the plug. And this was one of them. I think I saw this probably about a year ago. And I was intrigued. I'm like, that looks sweet, okay? Now, I have a table, camping table kind of thing, but you need some kind of conveyance. The thing probably weighs 30 pounds. It's awesome, but it's big. It's probably 4 foot square when it's open, has built-in seats. It's not something you're going to be carrying around with you. So I know that when I go into the woods, if I want to make something, even just a quick cup of coffee or something, and I sit on a log, there's no place to put the stove, there's no place to put the coffee pot. It doesn't work out well. So when I saw these tables, I'm like, wow, that looks like it would be perfect. So all the information about this table is going to be in the description. Links to the website, where you could get all the specs, where you could buy it, and all that niceties will be down in the description. I think I remember them saying it has a 55-pound weight limit, which I don't see what you would have that would weigh 55 pounds in the woods, or camping, but that's a lot of weight. So let me get the camera turned around, and we're going to check out this folding aluminum table by EDEUOEY. All right, let's check it out. First thing I like, this bag is split in two. So we got two sides. That's a cool feature. And we got the base, and we got the top. See what we got here. Let's pull that open. That snaps right in there. There's the other one. Oop, got that one stuck down there. Okay. Nice. Got two bars on here, one on each side. They're going to go in these grooves right there. That's easy peasy. I love it. 55-pound capacity, what more can you need? Aluminum top, put your stove on top of here, your coffee pot. I could probably put my Coleman stove on here. This is exactly what I was looking for. Very, very lightweight. I think this is the perfect size. I'm sitting on a log or something. It's going to work out fantastic. This is awesome. Take it apart. Man, it comes apart easy, goes together easy. I mean, look at that. I don't know the exact weight. Again, check the specs in the description, but it's light. I mean, look at that. Boom. Now that's worth the money. I should have bought that a year ago. So there you have it. The EDEUOEY ultralight aluminum folding. I don't know if it's ultralight, but it's certainly light. But the aluminum folding table, I highly recommend this one. All right, I got one more coming up. Keep your eyes out for that. It's another product that I was very, very interested in reviewing. So thanks again, everyone. I appreciate you coming along. I hope you have a wonderful day. Much love and respect to all of you, my brothers and sisters, and we'll see you in the next one.